Because you didn't answer my fucking,
Keep cursing.
Yeah. Jumping Lexus like it's 07. I consider living, gotta hit the next one. Yeah, I know you learn your lesson. I can GPS you if you need to dress it. What's up about a bigger homie, but I'm 1 year older than my little homie.
Hey, the gang is back.
The gang is motherfucking back, y'all. We are about to go motherfucking grocery shopping. Yeah. So I thought I'd take y'all along with me.
So I can vlog it.
Y'all don't understand.
Well, this is half the gang.
This is half the gang. Nani and Kayla are still.
Nani, Kayla, Darisha.
But yeah, we supposed to go grocery shopping because we is poor and hungry. Hello, everybody.
Got the flash on? No, wait, damn it. I gotta get my shit. Up my car. My car is right there.
Nani's here, life of the party. Kayla, come get in the video because you never be in my videos.
Yo.
Talk to the people, Nani, because
What it do?
You know the last time you were in my video, you told me to plan a funeral because I was hiccuping. Because you're a hoe for that. You know that? You know that.
15-minute drive.
Starting route to Walmart Supercenter. Proceed to Paradise.
We are at Walmart. Guys, this is not working out. This just feels unsafe.
We're gonna be in here for an hour.
No, seriously, guys, we're gonna be in here for an hour. So, hey, I need a tripod is what I need. Guys, we don't know what we're doing. This is really actually chaotic, if you will. Looking down my list, y'all, I don't even have that long of a list. That's the problem where we start off with.
What it do and what it ain't. I'm Jay's girlfriend. I play basketball. I'm a point guard.
Yeah, I'm not a point guard.
You see my mask?
What about?
I just got it. I just got my hair did too. So Jalen can play.
Yes, sir. Let the whole store know.
Hey, y'all, if you want a nice home-cooked meal, pull up.
You know what I'm saying?
A fucking chef for the school. Everyone, we're done grocery shopping. It was a fucking massacre. We took 30 years to do everything.
Hand sanitizer.
Now we hand sanitizing it up. No haul coming soon. Fuck that haul. No haul. Y'all don't need to see shit. Guys, we're eating.
So guys, today we are going to be doing a mukbang. And we all have McDonald's except for Kayla, as you can see.
Silly was
Looking at her
supposed to be
chicken fingers from Zaxby.
but she's a hoe. Kayla got a goddamn 4-course meal. Need to zoom in on this bitch. Eat.
I'm fucking this shit.
Sydney was supposed to be in attendance, but she's taking 40 years.
Now what is this?
Sad ass McChicken. Why did they do you like that, right?
I don't know, I'm still eating. I'm hungry.
Talk about how excited you are for school. This week.
Alright, fuck that school shit. I just want my diploma.
That is forever away. Say something to the vlog.
Jalen has 2 nuggets in a box. Look at them.
Nigga, I ate them already because y'all took 30 years.
Oh, legit.
Sydney, say something to the vlog.
Man, I'm pretty hungry. Ready to eat.
So hungry.
Is the food to eat? This is hers.
So everyone,
But I did too.
we're back at school.
I like ice.
Everybody's here. Love it.
I don't like sparkling shit. Cause I don't drink soda.
I'm ending this shit. None of you niggas talking about my goddamn camera. Say goodbye to the vlog.
Bye-bye.
Hello, everyone.
Hey. Hello.
Oh, I'm eating.
Can I try your taquito?
Sydney's grossed out by my food for whatever reason.
I'm just gonna take a look.
Who's that? Oh!
Okay.
Guys, I'm eating this with honey mustard. You can judge me if you want. I don't have no ranch, and I need sauce with everything that I eat.
When Caleb eating that stuff. Look at that shit. Oh. He'll sleep.
Cause I'm a. Want a bite?
No! I didn't bust her.
Want a bite? Hello, everybody. Yeah, you should probably go to the front because she's small. She can't walk fast. We're going to the mall to help Nani get clothes.
Birdie is starting to get
So what happened? Look at Nani, just looking cute. Like, do y'all see that walk? Sydney, pose for the camera. You fucking queen.
You got girl in Tallahassee.
The pose of the year. We left the mall. Wasn't nothing in there. Worst mall. Possibly the worst mall. But this food is so damn good. It's Nani's birthday! Woo, 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 woo. Say something to the people.
Yo, it's my freaking 22nd birthday.
Tutu.
About to turn up.
About to turn up. Pretty crunk. I look bald.
Cause you are.
But yeah. No, you're really a bitch in my videos, and I'm finna show you. That is my girlfriend.
Not your fucking.
We're friends with benefits.
That's all for this video, y'all. Like and subscribe, you know, all that good stuff. Leave a comment below what y'all want to see. That's all.